my fabulous felines. Guess what today is? Tutorial day. Did you miss me? You know I missed you too. You guys keep asking me which one is better, the eyebrow definer or the eyebrow pencil? That we're going to find out today. So those of you that keep disturbing me, let's go. Let's see which one is better. This eyebrow definer comes in two shades. It comes in dark brown and black, and I'm going to be mixing the two. It also comes with brush applicator, comes with the sponge applicator and the brush applicator that I'll use to apply this product, as well as the brush that I'll use to arrange my brows. I've already prepped my brows already, but let me just still brush it up again for you guys to see. Then I'm going to start with the, of course, with the brown first. I'm going to start with the I'm going to start with the outer corners of my brows. I'm going to start just with the, before I fill in the brow hair, I'm going to start with the brown first. Started with the brown first. I would advise you to start with the brown, whatever shade, whatever dark shade you are. I'd advise you to start with the brown first, because if you start with the black, it may be too may make you have a very not so. So I'm filling in the middle now. Make you have a not so. Okay, so this is how it looks with the brown. It's coming out a little bit, but not too much. So I'm going to take a little bit of the black and put where necessary. I'll start with the end of my this thing of my brows, so that it gives it more definition. Still taking more again. You can see that since I added the black, it's been giving it some definition, but I'm just putting it very lightly, gently blend it in on top of the brown. Okay, and join it up together, create an arc. I'm taking it to the front now, just a little bit, and to the end here, just a little bit, to the front of the lower portion. I'm filling it in just the end. I'm not taking it to the front, so it doesn't give me a very unnatural look. However, I'm still going to brush it out and highlight it. So let me finish this look off camera and I'll be back. Okay, now I think I'm through with this. I'm still yet to highlight it to bring out the definition of the brows right now. So I'm going to start with the brow pencil on this side of my brows. As you can see, it's not yet done. I'm using this Tara pencil in dark brown. Okay, so let's see how it goes. I'm just working with the natural arc of my brows. I'm starting from the lower portion of my brows. Then I'm taking it up to the upper portion of my brows. I'm taking it gently in, in brush strokes. Then I'm now filling in my edges, as you can see. I'm filling in my edges. I'm filling in the hairs now. I'm not taking the pencil to my front, because you see my front is a bit full. So I'll just do it here, because I want it to be as natural as possible. I'm going back to my lower portion of my brows, and I didn't take the pencil from the beginning. I just took it from here, from just away from the beginning. So I'm going to brush it now. Okay, so as you can see, I think it just needs a little bit of filling here. See how gently I'm doing it, so it doesn't look too unnatural. So I'll still brush it out again. Still see some places that need filling up. So let me highlight my brows off camera and I'll be back so we can see the look post highlighting with some concealer. Okay, now I've finished highlighting my brows. As you can see, I finished highlighting my brows. So now I'm going to do like my full makeup, and you can see the from you can see from here the how defined the level of definition of the two brows, how it comes out. I think one comes out in a more defined way than the other, depending on the kind of look you want to achieve. You want to achieve something more less sharpened, you can go for this brow. Let me finish my makeup before I give my review, okay? I'll be right back. Now my makeup is fully applied. As you can see, the look of the pencil, the Zaron dark brown pencil on this side of my face. You can see the look. You can also see my look with my Zaron eyebrow definer. You can see the look. So basically my own review about this two products and how it comes out. Naturally, anytime I've used a brow definer, whether Zaron or any other brow definer out there in the market, it usually gives me a look that's not too defined. It gives me a much softer, less, less sharp, if I may use that word, look, which is pretty good if you are someone that doesn't like your eye makeup to look too defined. However, if you do desire very defined, sharp looking brows, I would advise you to go with the Zaron with a brow pencil, whether be it Zaron or any other brand product that you are using out there. It definitely gives a very sharp look. This pencil that I use, it definitely gives a very defined look. So I can't say this one is better than the other. I like the way my brows look. It just gives this kind of soft effect, while this one also gives a very sharp looking effect, which used to be a very popular look some 10 years ago. This used to be like the look for some 10 years ago. But I guess now, currently, this is the look that a lot of people are going for. Something soft, not something not too defined. That it kind of makes you look younger, because when looking at myself, I actually kind of think that this side of my face looks younger than this side of my face. I don't know. That's just my own thinking. So sometimes I also combine the two. It just really depends on what kind of look I want to achieve. So like I said, I'm not going to discount you know any of them to say this is better than this. It really depends on what you are looking at, the kind of effect you want to create for your makeup look for that particular day, or or occasion. So I would definitely recommend the two. And I hope you like this tutorial. And stay safe. God bless. Like, share. Please don't forget, like and share this video to somebody who you think her brows isn't looking so good. This video can actually be so helpful to so many people around you. So like, share, subscribe. Until next time, stay safe. God bless. I love you all. Bye.